Gado-Gado and Pecel are two of Indonesia's most famous traditional salads. They feature a mix of blanched or raw vegetables covered in a rich peanut sauce. Though they seem similar, each has unique ingredients, origins, and ways of serving. Gado-Gado comes from Jakarta and West Java. The name means mix, showing the blend of vegetables, tofu, egg, and lontong, which are rice cakes. It's often topped with fried shallots, crackers, and sometimes sweet soy sauce. Pecel, on the other hand, is a traditional dish from Central and East Java. Unlike Gado-Gado, Pecel uses more rustic and local vegetables like cassava leaves, kenikir, which are cosmos leaves, and long beans. Its peanut sauce includes kenkur, an aromatic root, giving it a distinct, earthy smell. Both dishes show Indonesia's cleverness, using local seasonal produce. The preparation is simple, healthy, and cheap. They represent the idea of balance in taste, texture, and goodness. Peanut sauce is really the heart of these dishes. It's made from roasted peanuts, garlic, chilies, tamarind, palm sugar, and salt. Some regions even add lime juice, coconut milk, or shrimp paste for a bit more flavor. Gado-Gado sauce tends to be smoother and sweeter, and it's often ground with a stone mortar. It's more refined and thick, which makes it just perfect for layering over soft vegetables and tofu. The addition of lontong, or rice cakes, makes it a complete meal. Pecel sauce is spicier and grainier, with a strong kick from chili and kenkur. It's usually served a bit runnier, so it can coat fibrous leaves and crunchy bean sprouts. Pecel is typically eaten with nasi putih, or white rice. So, a lesser-known version is Lotek, which is pretty common in West Java. Lotek is often considered the Sundanese version of Gado-Gado, but with steamed vegetables and a sweeter sauce. Oh, and it may also include oncom, that's a fermented soybean cake, in some areas. Karedok is another Sundanese dish, quite similar to Gado-Gado, but made entirely with raw vegetables. It usually includes cucumber, bean sprouts, long beans, and Thai basil. The sauce here is prepared freshly, and it's often spicier and more fragrant. Urap, or Urapan, is a Javanese dish with mixed vegetables tossed in spiced grated coconut instead of peanut sauce. It often goes with rice dishes like nasi tumpeng or selamatan feasts. Urap actually offers a dry alternative to the usual peanut-coated varieties. Trancam is, well, a raw Javanese salad variant of Urap. It includes finely chopped vegetables mixed with fresh grated coconut, and sometimes it's flavored with a bit of lime and chilies. Trancam really focuses on freshness and, a light touch. All these dishes highlight the Indonesian philosophy of Sehat, Murah, Merakyat, that means healthy, affordable, and for the people. By using vegetables grown in backyards or local farms, they're available to everyone, no matter their income. You'll find they're commonly sold at warungs, street stalls, and traditional markets. In urban areas, these dishes have been, made more modern and sold commercially. Restaurants now serve Gado-Gado with imported lettuce, avocados, and even boiled potatoes. Still, the main idea of the dish really stays the same. Pecel is so loved in East Java that it has, many different versions depending on the region. In Madiun, Pecel Madiun is famous for its fiery sauce and crisp vegetables. In Kediri, Pecel may include local greens not found anywhere else. A special addition to Pecel in some places is Rempeyek, which are peanut or anchovy crackers. It adds a crunchy texture and deep flavor to contrast the sauce. Honestly, many people won't eat Pecel without it. In Solo or Surakarta, Pecel is often paired with nasi liwet, that's coconut rice, and side dishes like tempe or fried egg. The balance of soft, spicy, and savory elements makes it a real comfort food, and, well, it is usually served for breakfast. So, Gado-Gado is often considered a vegetarian-friendly meal. It usually includes no meat, though sometimes you'll find boiled eggs or shrimp crackers as optional extras. Plus, it's actually pretty high in protein, thanks to the tofu, tempeh, and peanuts. These dishes are, deeply connected to Indonesian cultural identity. They're commonly served at family get-togethers, traditional ceremonies, and national holidays. For example, Gado-Gado is often served during Hari Kemerdekaan, which is Independence Day. In some modern eateries, you can spot Gado-Gado or Pecel served in really creative ways. Think mason jars, bento boxes, and even fusion-style wraps. But despite all this new stuff, the core peanut sauce still remains the key part. So peanut sauce in Indonesia is actually quite different from Thai satay sauce. It's got this earthier feel, usually packs a bit more heat and isn't as sweet. Indonesian versions really focus on the traditional way of grinding and balancing those fire-roasted ingredients, which gives it such a unique character. Street vendors, honestly, play a massive role in spreading the love for these dishes. You'll often spot these mobile carts with a mortar and pestle right there, grinding up the sauce fresh for each order. The smell, wow, it's instantly recognizable and just totally irresistible. Pecel has also become, well, a regular item in Indonesian train meals and packed lunches. It's lightweight, doesn't make a mess, and still tastes great, even at room temperature. That practicality is really what makes it a favorite travel companion for so many people. Instant Pecel sauce is now available in packets. Ground and dried, it only needs hot water to prepare. This allows Indonesians abroad to enjoy Pecel anywhere in the world. These dishes show Indonesia's wide range of food. Each region, from Java to Sunda to Bali, adapts Gado-Gado or Pecel in unique ways. The basic idea of vegetables plus sauce, however, stays the same. Gado-Gado, Pecel, and their relatives show the cleverness of Indonesian cooking: simple ingredients, strong flavors, and deep cultural roots. More than just salads, they are edible expressions of heritage. As Indonesia changes, these humble dishes continue to connect generations and regions through taste.